Would you Piyush Pandey ad world or Satish Shah sitcom world?
I would say both of them in their
But you've
world.
done
I worked
both.
with Satish Shah.
You worked with Satish, and
I
I worked
did-
with Piyush quite a bit also. So
Yeah,
between
Piyush,
us-
I never met him. I wanted to
great
meet
guy.
him.
You would have loved him.
Yeah.
Great guy.
You know, a lot of people said, you must meet him. I never got a chance.
Yeah.
You know, but Satish Shah, I worked with him and he's always been so encouraging and he never hesitated in giving a pat on your back and say, hey, damn good, yaar, bahut acha kar raha hai, and all this stuff, you know. And always genial. I liked what what people are saying, that he always used to say, never lose out the child in you. And don't let the child in you grow up. What a beautiful thing to say.
Yeah.
And that's exactly, I think, the way I am and you are also. A lot of us we just not lost the child in us.
Michael Jackson like the child.
You had to say that.
Sorry, wrong face.
Just beat it.
Thriller happened. But
Yeah.
now back to Piyush. So Piyush has changed the advertising world. I mean, there's so many tributes out there. I don't want to say anything also, it's a waste of time. But he literally changed advertising. I mean, wherever you meet someone who's reinvented a whole industry.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, or knob.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah,
news
actually,
channels change. News
yeah,
channels change.
seriously.
Be
You
fair.
have to give him that.
But Piyush is amazing. I'm very fond of his entire family. Great people.
Yeah.
And cricket lover boss. You would have loved him. Big drinker,
yeah.
cricket lover.
I was reading up, that day times they had this.
He and Arundal are best friends.
Oh, shucks.
St. Stephen's College together. He was the captain of the team. Cricket. But apparently, very good wicketkeeper.
Very good wicket keeper.
I mean, now we'll never know all that. But yeah, I never got to play with him in that
Shucks,
sense.
man.
But yeah.
There's so much of conversations we have.
And I've said this before, he taught my dog how to drink. Because I was just a young boy in the lane, he used to live at the end of the lane. When I had this big flat and the boss was sitting there. So he'd be looking out and smoking and he'd see me with the German Shepherds, he would start saying hi. So after 3-4 times when I'm walking, he said, Kya karte hai? Upar aa." So old man is calling you, elderly man is calling you up, whatever. But I knew who he was, so I went happily. And they were all drinking and talking. It was a great time. And then, he liked dogs. So he was drinking his whiskey, put his finger in, and he gave it to my dog was called Volpe. And my dog had the whiskey. So I left that place with drunk Alsatian. My dad said, what happened? I said, I met Piyush Pandey, the legend, and, he pillowed my dog and all that. So then I started doing this. All my friends were very impressed. We had parties. I would be like, hey, Volpe, come. He liked his drink, bro. He liked his drink.
But honestly speaking, when you read about them and read about the fun that they had, I think today people do not have that kind of fun, because I think anything, you go for a regular health checkup and there's 76 things that have been discovered.
yeah.
And then after the 76 things are read out to you, now I'm diabetic, I got this, I got that, and you automatically were like this.
True.
It's a placebo effect. Yeah. Just enjoy your life, man. Be happy, do not harm others, don't talk bad or ill about others. Don't abuse if you can.
I can't see Satish. I didn't know, but Piyush is a very positive energy to be around.
Satish,
Very positive
same
energy.
thing, same thing, man.
I want to write a list of positive people to be around now till I
No,
die.
absolutely
So
positive.
you're one of them, huh? But
Brocha, you are one of them
You
also.
live too far, yeah. Can you compromise? Meet me.
I don't mind. Today the coastal road is fantastic.
fantastic,
I love
man.
coming to town.
Then
Well,
you need to get yourself a girl now.
that. I'll
With
still
two
wait.
hands. Your wife will ask, what does she have?
Why?
2 hands! Asrani? Also,
Ashrani Saab also.
Yeah.
My God, I worked with him in my 2 films I did,
Yeah.
and so much of joy.
Yeah.
My goodness, and that energy that people are talking about.
and how many decades of acting, so yet able to, have fun.
And solid fun, yeah. And he was on the sets, he used to be a wonderful gentleman. In the evening after the shoot is over and all that stuff, sometimes he used to bump into him at the bar. And he used to have his 2 drinks, sit with his wife, chat for a while. He sees me and then, idhar aake baith, mere saath baith, come sit here. And we just randomly spoke about movies.
Did you work with him in the scene?
Yeah. I had
Tell us what is the characters?
I was playing this character called Sunny in Diwani Mein Pagal. And it was a spin-off of Everyone. What is it? Something on Mary.
I like that movie.
Yeah, it was a spin-off on that Hindi
where
version.
he comes-
Everyone is chasing for. He comes. And I said, one fight sequence up, we are fighting, and I come there. I said, अरे क्या कर रहे हो? अरे बेटा मैं अंधा हूँ.
He's the dad.
अरे बेटा मैं अंधा हूँ. बोला अंधा? क्या तुम्हें वहाँ पे वो नीले रंग का शर्ट में वो दिख रहा है? बोला हाँ मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. So, and it used to come on the spot, and I had to laugh. I couldn't. Damn it! I had laughed so loudly. You spoiled a good shot. Vikram Bhatt was directing that, but it was so much of fun. So these are the people. So people who laugh a lot. I think they should never bother about going to doctors for regular checkups. So I don't.
Okay.
You better laugh, yeah. Somebody told you I got diabetes, but everyone said, "Hey, very
But
dangerous."
other way to think about it is all these things that stress you ना 2-3-4 साल गया life में. So from 73 you went at 69.
Yeah.
But at 69 you can go happily without anxiety, without knowing all
That's
this.
a great number
Or
to-
you wait for नहीं वो 4 साल में क्या हो गया? You anyway on 20 pills. Somebody's pushing you.
Exactly.
So, might as well go at 69 when you're standing upright and had a good time. And
Yeah, exactly,
Your last
man.
words were do or. You know.
That's
Correct, no?
Yeah, correct. I agree 100%.
So medical profession we have to remove now.
100%.
For
yeah.
10 years, no medical profession. No,
It's like-
she's
it's
saying
like-
last.
It's last. It's like, going to temples and praying. The priest come and say, "Are iska ye upay, wo upay." And then,
yeah, menu card.
It's a fear. It's a fear factor. Same thing. You don't do this, you'll do that. You eat. Somebody that they said for
There's no
food, you
end to
should-
it, boss, because everything has side effects. No?
Yeah, somebody was saying, I'm dieting, I'm only having gluten-free things. I don't want, I'm very careful about what I put in my body. That's how it reacts. I said, boss, when I'm having a Domino's cheese burst pizza, I'm happy, my body's happy.
It's
And
come
I enjoy
to,
it.
We have to stop this. It's gone mad, yeah. The world has
Yeah.
gone mad. My daughter in Spain is counting calories and telling me today 1850.
Hey.
I was like, bro, when I was 18, I don't know what a calorie was.
Exactly.
Did you know?
I think, thank God,
We
no,
didn't
I never knew. Calories and...
My only worry was, do we have enough money to buy the booze?
what the hell is it? Yeah,
That
exactly.
was, those are normal worries.
Real fears, yeah.
Yeah.
Gluten-free
You go out with
and
a
all
girl,
that.
will she pay? I don't know. I mean, that was my personal issues. You know.
I only have so much.
Yeah, I
You
know.
know, how
Look
do
like a real ragu, na? You're sitting there and you're looking at the menu and hoping she doesn't order that.
And sometimes,
Yeah.
Arey, coffee leke, you won't have coffee. No, I just had tea at
Yeah.
home. Only that
God.
much money is there.
We've all done this. Stomach ache. You don't order for yourself. You don't have enough money. Then you have to marry the same girl, and then that's it. Your stomach ache is forever.
Anyway.
Now back to the show with Suresh Menon.